Hello friends and welcome back to the tutorial of Python for the beginners. In this video we are going to learn how to create a dictionary and how to store the values in it. Also we will learn what are the type of values that we can pass or store inside our dictionary. So let's start with it and see how to create a dictionary. Like in the last videos, we have created the list and a tuple. For that, we can pass any type of value, that is a string, integer, or a float type value. Similarly, we can pass all the three type of values here. But the thing is, the passing method or the storing method is quite different. And how is it different from them? Well, let me show you. So just create a new variable. Like I'm taking a variable as d, and inside this variable, I have to store some value. Like this creating or initializing a new variable is not a different thing. This is quite similar to the list and the tuple, but the thing is how you pass the value or how you store the values in it, that is quite different. For that, just type this curly braces open, curly braces close. Inside this we will pass some values, and values are not like this, like 1 2 3 or something like that. This is not a list or this is not a tuple. So we can't pass the values like this. Like from the name dictionary itself, it is clear that the values will be stored in the form of a key value and some pair value as well. Means I'll be having one key and one will be the value. So let's see how to write it. Like first I will take a key value. Means I will take a key and accordingly I will pass some value for it. Like I'm taking a variable, or we can say I'm taking a key as name, and for that name I'm going to pass one value. And what is my value? And let's take innovate. Innovate is my value for my key. So this is my key and this is my value. So what is happening here is, this is my dictionary. When I'm going to pass this value, means when I'm going to call some values from my dictionary, I have to send the key, and according to that key it will send me some different values. So this was my one value. Let's take another value with a key value pair. So for that I'm taking another key. Another key is for like I'm taking list. Why I'm taking list? Let me show you. And for that list, what I will do, I will send another list in that. Means I will pass some different values for that. So what I'm doing is I'm taking a list, passing some different values in it, and these values are of integer types. Now I'm having two different values, and according to that I'm having some different values. So let's press enter. See, my dictionary has been created with a key and value pair. Okay, so let's type D and enter. So it will show you the key value pairs in a dictionary. So let me tell you and even show you how to call the values from a dictionary. Like in the tuple or list, we have called the values using some indexes. And let's see if I will call the value by index, what it will show you. So just press enter by typing D within square bracket 0 and press enter. So what happens? It has showed you the key error. Means you can't pass the key values, or we can say you can't pass the integer or the index value inside this dictionary while accessing some value. So how to call it? Like I told you, you can call the values using the key. So for that I will type name and just press enter. So what it has showed you, it has showed you the value that is inside your key. Similarly, I am having one another key that is of list containing another list. So type list and press enter. So it will show you all the values inside this. So this is a case when you're accessing three values at a time. But what if I want any one of the values from these three values. So for that, you have to write D within square brackets, within quotations, the key, and come out of the box and then just type the same square bracket, and now enter the value, means the index value according to this list. So like I want to call triple one, so just type 1 bracket close and press enter. So see, you have accessed the value that is inside this key, and it is having some values, and inside this value you are having this triple one. So in this way you can access the values from the dictionary. I think you have learned many of the things from this dictionary. Similarly, like we have done in the list and the tuple, you have accessed many functions that are inside your dictionary or list or tuple or something like that. Similarly, you can type d dot and you will get many functions that are inside this dictionary. So you can check that, and I'm not going to tell you for that, so that you can practice for that. And this was it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So if you do enjoy this video, then click on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please click on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of my videos. And thanks for watching this video.